through adopting this teaching and practicing this.
और वो लोग जब खत्म हो गए मज़हब खत्म हो गया.
Because in the case of the former, when the people ceased to exist, the religion finished with them.
लेकिन ये जिनके अल्लाह अल्लाह मखलूकें बाहर निकली हैं ये तो ख़त्म नहीं होती हैं, ये तो क़यामत तक दुनिया में अल्लाह करते रहेंगे.
But those people that actually found this knowledge and the spiritual bodies were awakened, they never cease to exist, even until the day of judgment, the end of the world. They'll continue saying Allah, Allah inside them, in this world.
मज़हब वाला हमारा तब ख़राब हो गया ना.
जी सर.
ये मतलब है ये मज़हब की बात क्यों नहीं करता, ये अल्लाह की बात क्यों करता.
This is why the people of religions are opposing us, and they're in conflict with us. They say, why doesn't he talk about religions? He just talks about God.
इसके बाद के ऊपर और ये भी जो फतवा है मज़हब की तरफ से हमारे ऊपर फतवा है.
जी सर.
ये कत्ल कर दो इसको.
जी सर. These many fatwas that we have from people are for this reason, that we should be killed because for this reason, that we don't talk about religion but talk about God.
Shahi, when you went into the jungle, you keep referring to we. I think my understanding is that you went, or there was a gathering of people there. Was this like a small community, or was it like a camp? How did it there was we, that's obviously more than one, so you know what I'm trying to say.
So अगर पूछ रहे कि जब आप जंगल में गए थे तो शायद तर्जुमे से इन्होंने ये अखज़ कर लिया कि बजाय मैं के हम इस्तेमाल होता है, तो क्या आप अकेले थे कि और भी लोग आपके साथ थे जंगल में? I was alone. There was nobody else with me.
Spiritual body दूसरों की थी, मदद करती थी. ज़हर में मैं अकेले था.
जिसका physically I was alone, but there were other spiritual bodies who assisted me spiritually.
Could you see them?
आप उनको देख सकते थे?
अक्सर देखता था.
Yes, often I would see them.
वो बातें भी करती थी.
They would talk to me also.
Does the Lord talk through them or through by himself?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Did the Lord talk through them or by himself?
By himself.
Himself.
So I'm पूछ रहे हैं जब अल्लाह ने आपसे गुफ्तगू